The leopard holds its prey tightly, its eyes darting around as it drags its meal deep into the dense forest where the thick canopy blocks out the light to avoid rivals. Beneath the calm water, a slight movement flickers through the thick layer of duckweed. It is not the wind. It is a smooth coiled form like a giant rope, an anaconda, the largest snake in the world, nearly 6 meters long and weighing over 100 kilograms. It lies motionless, its eyes almost blending into the murky water. There is no need to rush. Snakes do not hunt like leopards. It waits, and when the time is right, it will squeeze until there is no life left. When the dense forest transitions into the rainy season, the water rises to submerge the tree roots, and soft mud spreads across the low-lying areas. This is when the breeding season for anaconda snakes begins. In their world, mating is not a romance, but a biological siege. A massive female lies motionless among floating water lies. Theveromones, she releases drift with the current, attracting dozens of males from all directions. They do not engage in fierce battles like horned animals. Instead, they cling to the female's body, forming a living mating ball that can last for hours, even days. During this process, only the strongest and most resilient males can pass on their genes. This is a form of harsh selection and silence and tight embrace. With their aquatic lifestyle, anaconda snakes have perfectly adapted bodies, eyes, and nostrils on top of their heads, smooth skin, powerful muscles, and the ability to hold their breath for long periods. This allows them to easily ambush their prey from the murky waters, where few other creatures dare to venture after mating. Females often hunt more intensively to accumulate energy. After a gestation period of up to 6 months, they give birth to an average of 20 to 40 young, which are tiny creatures, but already possess the killer instinct inherited from their mothers. The rainy season brings life, and also awakens the smallest deadly army in the jungle. From the layer of decaying leaves, a black stream emerges. Asterisk army ants without building nests. They move constantly, hunting in groups. Asterisk, each individual is a perfect link in the chain. Communicating through pheromones and coordinating without orders. Asterisk. At the slightest vibration, hundreds swarm in, clamping down on their prey with sharp mandibles. Within minutes, a spider the size of a hand is reduced to a hollow shell. Asterisk, no strength is needed. Only numbers and strategy. That is how these tiny creatures conquer the entire forest. Asterisk, when the Amazon rainforest enters its wettest season, mating calls echo through the dark corners of the forest. It is mating season for jaguars. The males follow pheromones facing each other with warning roars. Mating takes place intensely for several days.